Mark. Where's you?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Little Girl Ife Jacob. And if this is your first time here, kindly click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. So today we're going to be doing a bank and reverb game on Bible characters if they are found in Old Testament or New Testament. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and comment. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
This is new, this is old.
Stay on the line.
Yeah,
This is new.
Okay, this is new. Okay.
This is new.
Make sure you jump clearly, not you're doing like this.
Don't do this.
Yes, don't do like this.
They don't have shoes.
This is new. This is
Old.
old.
Yeah.
Old.
Okay, are you guys ready?
And then
Peter.
after that, then you take
Then we
directly.
call, yeah.
Directly.
I call?
Yeah.
Yes. Like this.
Directly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. Abraham.
It's
Max.
me?
Yeah.
Sarah. J'ai feinté en fait. Sarah, tu vois.
I have one question.
I do this.
It's supposed to be say just the book or just the personage.
No, it's a person, but the problem is that some person.
I just the
name is
person.
also
Okay.
a book name. Okay, because someone followed me.
Okay, stand. Stand.
What?
Stand.
Esther.
Yes.
We stay here.
Yes.
We stay here. Henry. Matthew.
Huh? I don't understand.
Matthew.
Huh?
Matthew.
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 Huh? Matthew.
You know, right?
Matthew.
Okay, you say How do you call him?
Let's go. On continue, les points continuent, les points continuent. Les points continuent. Ok. Ok, Paul. Vas-y. Moses. Wait.
Don't look back.
David.
You lose.
Old Testament.
New Testament. David.
We lost. Wait, which David?
David.
Which
one?
In some. In some we have David.
Is the song from Goliath?
Some is the way.
Some is